Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the hardware and software so Face ID can run a fresh check. First, make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS, updates fixed sensor firmware. Next, physically clear the true depth area, wipe the lens, remove any case or screen film that could obscure the sensor. Then, open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, and verify Face ID options are enabled. Once done, restart the phone to let the system reinitialize the camera modules before you proceed. Now you actively rebuild your Face ID profile to improve recognition. First, reset Face ID in settings to remove old data and start fresh. When you set up, choose a well-lit, even environment. Avoid harsh backlight or deep shadows. Hold the iPhone at a natural distance, then bring it to eye level. Do not rush. Complete the 2 required scans by moving your head slowly in a circle so the true depth camera captures multiple angles. Make sure to include your regular glasses or hats if you use them. Finish with system-level fixes and a clear escalation path. If Face ID still fails, force restart the iPhone and retry the setup. Transient processes can block the camera. If repeated attempts fail, consider restoring from a recent backup or performing a DFU restore as a last software step, because corrupted system files sometimes break Face ID. If none of that helps, schedule Apple support or authorized service. Hardware faults in the True Depth module require diagnostics. Troubleshooting tip: test with the front camera and face time to confirm the sensor is capturing your face before service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.